Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor. Happy to be coming back out to the Boston area. And what we're going to be doing on September 9th in Lexington is going to be the Realtor's AI Playbook and Become Google Great. Now, what we're going to do in the morning session is I'm going to take you through a 3-hour session on AI optimization for real estate agents, smarter business with AI from leads to loyalty, and so much more. We're going to walk through a lot of different tools and techniques that are going to help to build and grow your business. You want to bring your laptop for this because we're going to be able to go in and do some hands-on elements in the morning session, and then we're going to take our lunch break, which is an in-house lunch, and we're going to come back and do Become Google Great. Now, the Google Great session, we're going to go in and I'm going to show you some techniques that are going to help you to build and grow your business for free with Google. The record for this class is $500,000 added to the bottom line in 1 year for one business owner. You definitely do not want to miss this class. Bring your laptop. The beauty of this, it's only going to cost you $10 to attend for the full day. So register here in KW Boston Northwest. I'm going to see you guys very soon. Thanks.